This is where the stairs to this sun deck was. We have pulled it out, dismantling it, taking measurements to rebuild it. Sir, videotaping the damage. Alright, we started demolition also to the powder room. Guys, demolition is almost done. This was where the powder room was, and also the staircase up to the sun deck. Hopefully next visit we can start on the staircase. Maybe work on the vanity. There's the top and the sink. We saved some wood for templates. We're going to take that back to Columbia and use some of it again as templates to build some stuff there and just bring it back here to assemble.